Transfer cart integration. Looking for a way to streamline your pallet or material handling process and improve safety in your facility? At Motion Controls Robotics, our automated transfer carts, called T-cars, are designed to help you achieve those goals and more. Benefits of transfer cart integration. Our transfer carts are a safer, more efficient alternative to forklifts, with enhanced safety features that are integrated in the robot system. Safety bumpers. Safety bumpers can be installed on travel directions or on all four sides of the T-car for incidental contact. Area scanners. Area scanners are standard on travel directions, can be added on sides as an option. E-stop button access. Buttons installed on perimeter of the T-car. Audible and visual alarms. Programmable to your standard and include a color-coded beacon. Overhead high power delivery. Overhead power means nothing on the floor or hanging power cables, and totally enclosed pickups. Options and capabilities. Our transfer carts offer flexibility for different operations, with both single and double conveyor options available. T-car speeds can be adjusted to fit your operational needs. To suit a variety of facility setups, we offer both AC conveyors as standard or MDR rollers for more specific applications. Whether you're handling light or heavy loads, our carts deliver reliable performance that fits seamlessly into your operation. When it comes to track installation, we offer flexibility as well. Tracks can be placed on top of the floor for easy installation, or sunk into the floor for high traffic areas, or where forklifts frequently cross the track path. This ensures your facility maintains optimal flow and safety at all times. Our transfer carts have already transformed facilities across industries, from building and construction materials to food and beverage. Clients have seen significant improvements in efficiency, safety, and cost savings by automating their pallet and material handling with a T-car. Ready to see how Motion Controls Robotics can help improve your material handling process? Contact us today to request a quote or schedule a consultation with our team of experts. Let's take your operations to the next level by integrating automated transfer carts into your overall system.